Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study biochemistry Anuj Pachhel, full guide. Start by building a timeline of topics and prioritize pathways and reactions daily. Focus on core principles, memorize mechanisms with active recall and spaced repetition. Use diagrams and draw processes to link structure with function. Practice problems from old exams and teach concepts allowed to solidify understanding. Track progress with weekly self-tests and adjust study blocks as needed. Break concepts into small goals and use 25-minute focused study blocks with 5-minute breaks to maintain energy. Apply active recall by writing answers from memory and use flashcards for enzymes and structures. Combine spaced repetition schedules and review older material weekly to prevent forgetting. Group study can clarify tough pathways, but stay accountable with shared quizzes. Balance study with short physical activity to improve retention and reduce fatigue. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content from me. Quick recommendation: Droplet Stay Hydrated Anywhere with the Owala water bottle, a handy study companion that keeps you sipping during long sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab yours or compare styles. Thanks for the support and for watching this short pause. Now let's get back to the video. Choose high-yield resources and focus on core textbooks and concise video lectures for concept clarity. Solve practice questions daily and analyze mistakes to identify weak topics deserving extra time. Create visual sheets summarizing pathways, mechanisms, and key regulators for quick reviews. Use mnemonic devices for complex sequences and relate biochemical steps to clinical examples when possible. Schedule mock exams to build speed and simulate exam conditions for reliable performance regularly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.